fly up here?
I bought it last time.
Get it on the ground.
You get fried this time, dude.
You hack a loogie and then you rub it with
How
your
much
shoe.
does it cost? I mean, is it expensive?
Well, he's an hour and 3 hours in the air at 8 gallons an hour. 10. So that's 30 gallons at 5. $150.
Wow. To fly up here?
There's 3 of you, so $50 a piece for your tickets. You can pay me here, or you can pay me when you get home.
I miss Cleo.
You could always stay.
I am nervous.
Look at that airplane.
You don't like my pants? Mom told me I could wear my red shirt.
You can throw water at them and you don't even get wet.
I knew he would do that. First he gets mad at me and really?
See, look, there's this plane. Look how green it is.
That's green. Oh, I thought it was like all green.
It's going the wrong way.
Right, come over here. Okay, so we go get our stuff?
Yep. Get on, get you on there. You might need to go to the potty. I'll bet he's coming down here now. Don't you?
I don't know.
It's Huey, Dewey, and Huey.
I